Secure areas of any length and shape with ReadyRail modular guardrail and handrail solutions from Bedford. They're stocked in 3-foot sections, and you can also simply specify the length of your railing run and we'll package all rails, posts, and mounting brackets into a handy kit. So whether you need to simply replace a broken railing or have a complex configuration, you'll get exactly what you need. And don't worry about needing welders and special tools. ReadyRail keeps it simple. The pre-engineered components bolt together easily using ordinary tools. And they last. ReadyRail materials are made from fiberglass reinforced polymer, or FRP, so they won't shrink, swell, warp, corrode, dent, or attract insects. They stand up to even the harshest weather or working environment, making sure your people safely stay standing too. After all, safety is what rails are all about. All ReadyRail materials are OSHA and IBC compliant. They come in standard safety yellow and include UV inhibitors and fire retardant resins. And unlike metal railings, they won't set you up for a shock because they don't conduct electricity. Plus, the low thermal conductivity reduces expansion and contraction to keep structures stable. Simply put, ReadyRail simplifies safety. And it simplifies savings too. Because FRP is virtually maintenance-free, you'll lower operational costs. And because it lasts, you won't have to replace your rails again and again like metal systems that rust out and weaken. ReadyRail modular guardrail and handrail solutions, heart of the Ready Series system designed to meet safety and productivity needs with both speed and durability. ReadyRail is ready for your next project. Request a quote today.